Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to Studio 4D. Like to comment share this video because I have something new here. I bought new accessories for my iPhone 12 Pro Max and I want to show you all. Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes, I'm ready. I have what? 12% of battery here. Can you imagine? Damn. So I need a charger. This is my old charger. The charger that I use to charge this phone. As you can see, this is 20-watt charger. Can you see this? Can you see this? Oh damn. 20-watt charger. Okay. 20-watt charger. Can you see this? And this is not bad. The cable, I don't know if it works very well, but sometimes when I try to charge into this position, it's not work. So I decided to put this here because it's only on this way it charge this phone. Honestly, I have not a good problem with this charger, but I decided to buy new chargers, and the charger is on this sachet. I will open this with you right now, in a few minutes. But here, what I have cable that I use to connect my phone to my PC. But sometimes Firebug is not connected. Disconnection, bro. This is not good. This is also why I decided to try to fix it like that. But the problem still the same sometimes. This is why I decided to buy something new that you can see into this sachet. So let's go for the unboxing. Okay. First of all, I have this box. What is this? Look at it well. You can see this is the charger, a new charger that I bought. This is iPhone 14 Pro Max charger that I bought for my iPhone 12 Pro Max. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Can you imagine? I don't know if it will work, but I bought this. So in the next, I decided to replace my old cable for this. Look at, it's orange. Can you see how it look like? Damn, something new. Can you see this? I don't know if it will work, but I decided to buy this also. So I bought two new accessories for my iPhone 12 Pro Max. Can you see this? This is cool, bro. This is nice, my friend. So let's go for the test. I want just to start the unboxing of this charger first. So let's open this charger. You can see how to use this here. Okay. Apple, nice. Look at what you can read by yourself. Okay, remove it. Nice. Unboxing started. Great. Now look at what I have inside. Oh, look at this position. Digital. Yes, which is a good way. Good position. And nice. Wow. This is what you have in this box. Cable and the charger. Wow. Charger is here. Wow. It's new. This is a definitely new charger. Can you see this? I have new charger here. So let's try to remove this sachet. What now? Oh, look at how so new. Wow, this is new. Something new is here. Can you see this? But the difference between this and the previous charger is that this is 25-watt charger. Let me try to show you autofocus. What are you doing? This is 20. 25-watt charger. The previous version is 20 watt, but this is 25 watt. Oh god, autofocus. What are you doing, bro? Autofocus has a great problem. Can you see this, bro? 25 watt. Now you can see very well. Okay, let's see why I decided to try it. Just try to see how it works. If it's fast than the previous charger. Now I have a cable. This cable is here. Nice. It's still like that. Great. You need to remove it and test. Okay, I will do this after. Now I have no charger, but I'm ready to test. Okay. Nice. Okay, now let's open this. Let's go for unboxing. Can you see this how it look like? You can turn the cable like that. Look at how the cable is look like. It look very, very different than what I see every day. Can you see this? Wow. Now how to remove it? Okay, this is how you can do it. Wow. Okay. Wow. This is how it look like, bro. Can you see this? Wow. Autofocus, what are you doing? Look at that. Bro. This is, look at, nice. Okay, good. Now I want to test this for the first time. Okay, let's try it. Let me see. This is my Asus Works 3G. This is my Twitch channel, GNANGSTUDIO 4D. Subscribe, bro. Subscribe, like and share. Yes, it's here also. Autofocus. A serious problem with autofocus with this Samsung Galaxy Note 8. Okay. Now let's try to connect this. Okay, this to this. Just like that first. And after connect this to my iPhone. iPhone, where are you? Where? Yeah. Let's try take this iPhone. Okay. First of all, let me open this software for iPhone. When the phone is connected, we see everything here. So let me connect this phone, this USB to my phone. Just like that. Okay. 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 Let's see. Oh, look what I have here. Oh. No, it's a pure. Oh. It's connected. Can you see this? Charging also started. Let me reduce out of it's charge start charging this phone also. Can you imagine? Do you imagine? And my phone, all of information about my phone appear here. So you work. So really is on this position. Let's try another position. Remove. It's on this position. Let's try to turn of this position to see. Connect it. And it's appear again. This means that it works. Now I have new cable. Can you see this? I recommend you to put this in a good position. Now it's connected. Yes, I'm so happy that it works. I'm so happy for this. Wow. Now I will test this after try it and go. Okay. Now let's remove here. Now let's test this charger also. Okay, before we test, I need to do something. First of all, let's remove all of this. Okay, remove. Nice. New chargers here. You need to put this USB Type-C to your phone. Okay, you have to your charger. Nice, just like that. Now it's connected. And now what you need to do is to connect this to your phone. Just like that. Can you see this? This is good. And it will work. So this is what I want to test, to try right now. Okay, I have something here to test it. Let's try to put this. Let's remove one of them. Put this here. No. Now we change its position. Final position. Nice. It's okay. Good position. Very well connected. Now see. Now charger is connected. It's here. And now I'm ready to connect this to my phone. Get ready. And let's see if it will work or not. Okay, let me connect. One. Oh. Can you see this? It is really fast. Just to connect, it's fast. It's really fast than the preview version that I have. Can you see this? When you connect, it's connected directly. No issue. Let me charge this phone right now and see how many times it will took. Okay, and I will tell you everything maybe in the next video with the first share and get ready for that, because this is very impressive. Now let's charge this phone quickly. I will notice sometimes you can put your finger here to see if it's hot or something. Okay, nice. Okay. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share. This video is amazing. And subscribe to my YouTube channel, GNANGSTUDIO 4D also, because it's amazing. Thanks for watching.